Recently, Hermes Gasparini had posted a video of him curling 52.5 kilos for multiple reps and multiple sets. Looks like his upcoming supermatch opponent Levan Saginashvili has posted an answer to that. Arm wrestlers are becoming really famous public figures, and it's good to see that they keep on posting their heavy lifting videos. In a way, it motivates the new arm wrestling fans to try out the same stuff. Obviously, it should be done in a very safe manner. But it would be even better if the lighter weight athletes also did the same. Or maybe they are already uploading, it's just that we are not paying attention to that. Because I would assume that most of the arm wrestling fans would be around 60 to 90 kilos in body weight. So it would be difficult to compare the lifts of, let's say, a guy who weighs 75 kilos with the lifts of Levan Saginashvili. You can try the pound for pound method, but it won't really work because the lighter guys have a good chance to lift more weights than the heavier guys when accounted for low weight. If you were wondering where is Zaur Pezulaev, well, he's back in the gym with his 46 kilos riser lift for 10 solid reps. And he even asked Hermes Gasparini if the form is okay or not. The riser looks slightly dumped, but the weight is moving fast, it's moving smooth. The guy is definitely really strong. Obviously, the lift is not as impressive as Hermes Gasparini, but definitely a lot more impressive than Michael Todd's riser lift. Even though the solid riser is what mainly contributed towards Hermes Gasparini's win against Michael Todd, but now it's not fair to compare these two lifts because Michael's weakest point is his riser and Gasparini's strongest point is his riser. And Zaur's lift, although really impressive, but it falls somewhere in between these two lifts. Then he did the back pressure exercise, 62 kilos for 5 reps. Definitely the weight is not impressive, but the belt is very high on his hand, almost onto the fingers. That makes the lift really good. Then 47 kilos for 7 reps in full range motion pronation curls. Great exercise. And finally 37.5 kilo hammer curls for 10 reps. And speaking of hammer curls or bicep curls, Levan Saginashvili did 125 kilos for 10 reps. As I was saying in the intro of this video, Hermes Gasparini did 52.5 kilos for 5 sets of 8 reps. Both arms, hammer curls, less swinging motion than Levan Saginashvili. But still, it's an easier exercise compared to what Levan Saginashvili is doing. And Levan did that with about 56 kilos. So both lifts are pretty impressive. If I were to guess which one is better, maybe Hermes Gasparini. But if I was to guess who has stronger biceps and who can curl more, definitely the answer is Levan Saginashvili. But as Uncle Todd likes to say, biceps do not really matter that much on the table. And that's what these arm wrestlers are focusing the most on. So what's going on there? And finally, Michael Todd's new PR on the pronation lift, 94.2 kilos. Michael has said in the past that his pronation is probably the best in the world. If that is the truth, he should be able to take Vitaly Leletin's hand way easier than Hermes Gasparini did. Let's see if that is going to happen or not. I think it can happen. And who can forget Denis Siplenkov's legendary single arm barbell curl with 75 kilos? Yes, there was a lot of swinging and cheating going on, but even with that, that's an impossible weight. Morozov tried to do a similar lift with 70 kilos. He did not lift the weight from the bottom, but instead he chose to hold it at a 90-degree angle and even curl it a little bit. So more arm wrestling specific style. If you can lift 70 kilos with a single arm in any exercise except for a single arm deadlift maybe, then you're lifting some serious weight and it needs to be appreciated. Denis has also done about 2 or 3 reps with 60 kilos, almost full reps. Which of these lifts is more impressive according to you? Please mention that in the comment section.